Rivian welcomes its first class of students. Rivian has officially welcomed its first class of students for a technical training program, expected to support operations at its upcoming factory in Georgia. The program was initially announced alongside the construction of Rivian's Stanton Springs factory outside of Atlanta, Georgia. On Saturday, Rivian officially announced that it was welcoming a class of 26 students to join its technical trades program for Stanton Springs North SSN, as shared in a LinkedIn post. Rivian says the program is a 16-week foundational training program, offering on-the-job learning from professionals at the automaker's plant in Normal, Illinois. When they complete the program, the students will return to Georgia to help use their training at the upcoming Rivian factory, which is set to build the next-generation R2 platform. "This is a very exciting development," said David Stevens, Rivian Director of Maintenance. He says that the students will be some of the very first who will eventually call the new Stanton Springs plant their home. In 2021, Rivian launched its first technical trades program at the Normal facility. And the automaker says that some of those students currently contribute to the R1 production line. This innovative program is in partnership with Georgia's technical college system, said Arnhelm Mittelbach, Rivian VP of Manufacturing. And we're looking forward to a long-term partnership in the community as we work towards production in Georgia. Those who are interested in applying for the Rivian Technical Trades Program can apply by navigating here. Rivian is set to unveil the R2 next-generation compact SUV on March 7. And the automaker officially selected a construction company to build the upcoming Georgia plant in December. The company is expected to hold a groundbreaking ceremony for the new factory sometime this year. Source: reposted and summarized from Zachary Visconti at teslaupdate.